In today's video, I will walk you through how to invoice from estimates in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your account. First, select Sales from the left navigation panel. Then, select the Estimates tab to view your list of estimates. Find the estimate you want to turn into an invoice. You can use the search or sorting options to locate the correct estimate. Once you find the estimate, look on the right side of its row for the small drop-down arrow. Select the arrow, then choose Convert to Invoice. QuickBooks will create a new invoice draft using the information from the estimate, including the products or services, quantities, and rates. Next, review and complete the invoice details. Confirm the customer information, invoice date, and payment terms. Make sure the due date is calculated correctly. Review each line item and check the quantity, rate, and tax. Make sure the description is clear. If you track tax, verify that the tax codes are correct. You can add a memo if needed to clarify what is included. You can also attach supporting documents, such as the assigned estimate or project notes. Next, check the invoice number sequence and make sure it is correct for your records. Once everything has been reviewed, select Save. You can choose to save and continue working, or select Save and Close if you are finished. QuickBooks will update the estimate status, and the new invoice will be ready in your books. To find the invoice later, go to Sales and locate it with your other invoices. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. In today's video, I will walk you through how to pay a bill in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. First, look to the top left of your screen and click the New button. From the menu that appears, choose Pay Bills. This opens the area where your unpaid bills are listed. You'll now see a grid of open bills. Review the vendor names, due dates, and amounts to identify the bills you want to pay or have already paid. When you're ready, check the box next to each bill you want to record. You can select one bill or multiple bills at the same time. Review the selected amounts and make sure you've chosen only the bills you intend to record. Next, look at the top left of the screen and select the payment account. Choose the account the money is coming from, such as a checking account or a credit card account, depending on how the payment was made or will be made. After selecting the payment account, set the payment date. Enter the actual date the money left your account or the date you want the payment recorded. Before saving, review the selected bills, payment account, and payment date to make sure everything is correct. Once everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks will record the payment and link it to the bill or bills you selected. After saving, the bill will be tracked as a paid bill in QuickBooks. The vendor balance will update, and the accounts payable balance will decrease by the amount of the payment. To review the result, you can check your transactions or vendor activity. The bill will no longer appear as an open bill once the payment has been recorded. That's all it takes to record a bill payment in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.